So guys, welcome to this video. The problem is still there, so let's go vlog ride around and I will tell you more about it. Alright, let's do a cold start. Racing. I have the Akrapovic exhaust, just the slip-on, not a complete system, which could be part of the cause of the issue I'm having. But beside that, I love the bike. Any angle and side I look of it, I love it. So let's go. We are on board, going to the Ducati dealership where I bought this bike. Talk about changing this motorcycle instead of keeping it, because it might be a possibility after September. For my English viewers, maybe you didn't know what was up with this bike because I posted 2 videos in Italian. Part 1 and part 2 are all videos about what issue I'm having with my Panigale V2. The bike is stalling. It used to do it like just once every now and then, but the last time it did this, the bike stalled 4 times. And I decided it's the time to take it to the dealership to have it checked, because this is not something normal. The first part of the video I did it because I was driven by the frustration that I just arrived from a bike ride and my bike is stalling like this without me knowing anything about what's happening. And it's a brand new bike, and this should not happen to any new bike at all, especially Ducatis with all the money that they cost. This was something that really bothers me so much that I did the video in my garage with my phone, just like that. It was a 2 minutes 11 seconds. The bike was stalling so often. I went to the dealership, I told them, and they didn't check it right away because they said they was busy, they couldn't skip another client to have my bike checked. And I left pissed. They noticed that, and they called saying to me that I can bring the bike from tomorrow on and they will check it very fast. So they find 2 types of errors. One, they know it was and they fix it right away. The second, they had to let Ducati know that there was an issue with my bike, which really worried me, because if a Ducati dealership do some investigation on your bike and find stuff that they think Ducati should know, it's a little bit worrying, because that means the problem is new or they don't know how to fix it. What the hell is this? But I have trust in the dealership I'm working with. I know them and I go there since I had the 848. So can't wait for September. And for now I'm going to the same dealership I bought this bike, just to talk about eventually changing this, because if it's not fixed, I want to try my luck again and maybe order a Panigale V2 Troy Bayliss. We'll see. We'll see how much they ask me for the trade-in, and if it's too high and in September I don't have the problem solved, I think I might move to BMW, because I have heard of people talking really good about the S1000RR, which I really like as a motorcycle. And also there's the M. The only downside of the M these days is that they have only the 5th anniversary, which is fluorescent green, and I really don't go crazy with fluorescent green color. So I should be at the dealership in a minute. Yeah, in a minute, 10 minutes. I have to go here. I think I will go with the M1000RR if I trade this one in. Otherwise, I'm just gonna get the base, the S model, and try to sell this one easily, or use it until the warranty is gone and then sell it. Who knows? But the best thing is to get rid of this before it gets worse, because the situation is this: it might get worse. And with Ducatis, if you have problems and you are outside of warranty, it's gonna be expensive. This is why I never buy a Ducati without warranty. Even my Hypermotor, which is year 2013, I bought it with a solution that make the possibility for me to put the 2-year warranty. 1 year is gone now, there is a second year. At the end of next year, I think I will trade it in or get rid of it, because I don't want to own it that old without warranty. I had a problem with the Hypermotor. Without the warranty would cost me 648 euros, when the warranty for 2 years with that solution of the purchase cost me 350. Can you imagine? This is the situation, guys. If you can buy it with warranty, man. If it's new, you have 2 years. After 2 years, if you plan of keeping it up for more than 2 years, extend the warranty. Because it's gonna be cheaper, because sooner or later it's gonna give you a problem of some type, and you will sleep better knowing that your bike is at the dealership to get fixed under warranty. Especially with this bike, with the electronics and stuff, just the labor hours, the working hours are expensive. Imagine parts. Just like a stock mirror is almost 190 euros. That's expensive as part. I'm at the dealership now. It's there in front of us.
A few moments later.
Here we are. Let's go inside and talk about business.